Hello everyone. I'd like to introduce you to my Blender add-on called Texturepainter. In this video, I want to demonstrate a quick workflow with this add-on. When creating it, it was very important for me to preserve the freedom of texture editing through the shader editor, which is why this add-on doesn't clutter your shader editor, it only manages layers. For those who have already used my add-on before, I'm excited to announce that I've released a small update which now allows you to adjust texture size, perform quick UV unwrapping, and save all modified images. Please support this video with a like if you find this add-on useful.